Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation.
There's something timeless about the sound of vinyl. That soft crackle before the first note. The warmth of analog tones that no digital track can quite replace. And with the ANGELS HORN high-fidelity Bluetooth turntable, you don't have to choose between old-school charm and modern convenience. If you want to check it out for yourself, the product link is in the description below. From the moment you unbox it, the ANGELS HORN makes an impression. Its clean, modern design combines natural wood tones with sleek metal accents, creating a setup that feels both premium and inviting. The included bookshelf speakers match perfectly, delivering a sense of balance that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the ears. This isn't just a record player, it's an experience. With its 2-speed belt drive system, you can enjoy both 33 and 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute vinyl records. Whether it's your classic rock collection, smooth jazz, or that rare album you've been saving for special nights, the ANGELS HORN reproduces every detail with stunning accuracy. Under the hood, the built-in phono preamp ensures that your sound comes through with rich clarity, whether you're connecting to the included speakers or using your own external setup. The ability to switch between phono and line outputs gives you total flexibility to tailor your listening experience exactly the way you want. Now, here's where things get interesting. This turntable supports Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. That means you can stream your favorite playlists directly from your phone without any messy cables. Imagine relaxing on the couch, switching from your favorite vinyl record to your latest streaming playlist with just a tap. And because it uses the latest Bluetooth version, the connection is faster, smoother, and more stable than ever before. But of course, for those who live and breathe the vinyl lifestyle, sound quality is everything. The ANGELS HORN features a precision-engineered, adjustable counterweight and anti-skating control system. These ensure that your stylus tracks perfectly along each groove, maintaining channel balance, clarity, and a distortion-free sound that truly honors the artist's intent. It's the kind of detail that protects both your records and your stylus, keeping your collection in pristine condition for years to come. When it comes to aesthetics, ANGELS HORN has gone the extra mile. The base is crafted from MDF material, giving it a sturdy yet refined finish that complements any home setup. There's also a transparent dust cover, keeping your turntable protected while letting its beauty shine through. Even small details like the peak power meters on the speakers add to the overall charm, visually reflecting the rhythm of your favorite tracks as they played out performance-wise. The sound that comes out of this system is nothing short of breathtaking. The dual bookshelf speakers deliver a clean mid-range, crisp highs, and a surprisingly deep bass response. Together, they fill the room with a warm, balanced soundstage that feels immersive and alive. Whether you're playing a soft acoustic set or a live concert recording, the ANGELS HORN system makes every moment come alive. And here's something every vinyl lover will appreciate: the fine-tuned pitch control knob. This lets you slightly adjust playback speed, allowing you to customize your listening experience to perfection. It's those subtle touches that show how much thought went into the design of this turntable. Beyond the performance, this turntable also doubles as a hub for other devices. Thanks to its line-in function, you can connect a CD player, radio, DVD player, or even a cassette deck and use the ANGELS HORN system as your amplifier and speakers. It's a versatile piece of audio equipment that can handle just about anything you throw at it. When you combine this versatility with its gorgeous design, premium sound, and modern connectivity, you get a turntable that's more than just a music player. It's a lifestyle statement. It invites you to slow down, to savor the sound of music the way it was meant to be heard, and to reconnect with an era when listening was an experience, not just background noise. Whether you're a seasoned vinyl collector or someone looking to start your very first record journey, the ANGELS HORN Bluetooth turntable is an incredible choice. It offers an unbeatable balance of craftsmanship, performance, and technology that feels both nostalgic and forward-thinking at the same time. If you'd like to learn more or get one for yourself, you'll find the product link right there in the description. This is one of those rare setups that blends analog beauty with digital convenience. A centerpiece for any home that values both sound and style. And as always, if you're someone who truly loves music, This one's built to make you fall in love all over again, one vinyl at a time.